Okay, so I've pulled out the New Zealand group here, and we're on the daily chart here for the New Zealand group. So again, same thing, focusing on the nearest area here. We're looking at weak New Zealand here, okay, or we'll just put it straight -1. Okay, over here, nearest area here, also weak New Zealand, okay, -1. New Zealand yen here. Here looks like New Zealand is strong. Okay, looks like it's actually, this is the guy responsible. So seems like it's a +1 here. Okay, so Euro New Zealand now. Don't forget, New Zealand's flipped now. New Zealand's on this side. So a chart going upwards in this case means New Zealand is strong. Sorry, New Zealand is weak. Ooh. See, it's even confusing for me. So -1 there. Pound New Zealand, same thing. New Zealand's on the right side. This one is actually showing weakness. Sorry, neutral. There is no higher high sequence since this stage. It seems like the markets keep coming back down. Goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. If we were to focus just on this area here, seems like it's, let me clean it up. Just on this area here, seems like we've breached this area. This is the guy who started it. Here's the highest point, and looks like we're still in upward motion, so that's weak, -1. Okay, and finally, Aussie New Zealand. New Zealand being still on the right side. The chart's going down, which means if this is like that, this is strong. New Zealand's strong here, which is a +1. Okay, so we got a +1, a +1, that's a +2, -1, -1, that's 0, and then -1, -1, that's -2. That's the overall number for this. A -2 is not important. There is no money flow on this one. Okay, so what I need you to do right now, for homework, basically, for practice, what I'm gonna have you do, going into next week, before I release the next set of videos for you, is I want you to put this into play, practicing finding out where the flow of money is, and then I want you to use your creative imagination or creative juices and be like, I wonder what I can do with this information. What does this information mean to me? How can I trade with this information? And as we go into the next week and onwards, I'm going to start showing you how I use this information and what it actually means. And we're going to start going into very much in depth and in details. So we're going to end it right here for this week. And we're going to jump straight into the next week. Don't forget your homeworks, and let me know in the comments below on how you find this whole correlation thing so far and every step of the way. Cheers.